lots of fun. Come on, let's go. I'm hungry. Chips. Wow. Thank you for sharing the chips of yours. Stop. Why did you throw this over here? So what? You know, there's a problem with it. This is plastic. It's harmful to nature. You know, if animals eat it, they will die. And you know, you should try to use cloth bags. I'm sorry, my sister. I'll never ever do it again. But please pick it up and put it in the dustbin. I know that you have learned something from this skit. My sister, what should we use instead of plastic bags? We should use cloth bags. Do you know why? Because if we use plastic bags and when the guys take it into the water, the animals will think that it is food and will eat it and then will be dead. Yes, she has the point. She is saying that when the human beings put in the plastic bags in land or in water, the animals in land or in water will think it is food and eat it, and then they will die. You know why we are using this cloth bag? Because it is friendly with nature. We can also reuse it. And also, there's another point. If you put a plastic bag